We first found out about Project Spark after hearing about Tiffani's ordeal. We raised our hands and said that would be a no-brainer for us. Decided that would be a nice thing to do in our community.
I need a car because I work as a director of a homeless shelter. I drive to work every day. It's approximately about 47 miles. That's one way. Outside of my actual job and the commute there, I have to ensure that one son gets to baseball, and then I also have to ensure that the other son gets to t-ball and soccer, and that doesn't even include getting the third one to daycare every day or getting the other two to school. I can't describe how bad I need a car. My son and I were in a vehicle accident a couple years ago. He was just about 4 at the time. A semi-truck didn't stop and they rear-ended a vehicle behind us. The vehicle caught fire, and so I lost my car. I didn't have anything.
So going back and helping our community with this donation of a car to a very worthy person is very heartwarming to be able to help in a small little way. And 1-800-CHARITY-CARS got us the car. We did all the maintenance on the car to bring it back up to where it needed to be.
We checked it out. We started with the check engine diagnosis. We decided to do a tune-up on it, replace the spark plugs and the boot coils, took off the tires, made sure the tires had good tread depth and wear on them, and we checked all the brakes, make sure they were functioning properly, and had changed out all the fluids and made sure all of that was clean and new. I think the car has a good life ahead of it.
I still can't believe it. I'm still in shock. I mean, I've seen it and I look at it and it's like, oh my gosh, there's a car there. That car is gonna be mine. Are you sure? Look at it. Look at the car. Look at it. When somebody does something so kind and generous, it's hard to believe that you're deserving of something like that.
On behalf of all of us, Midas International, we present you with this repaired car.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you so much. The Subaru was beautiful. To be fortunate enough to just have someone gift me that is remarkable. It's unreal.
She gives so much in her daily life, and it's so great to see that we can give back for her.
Tiffany's so grateful. It's heartwarming to see the kids sitting in the car. He didn't even want to get out of the car.
He already snapped himself in there, so he's pretty excited.
It's just very heartwarming to see and be a part of something like this.
Pretty insane, isn't it?
She's deserving in every way. What Midas stands for, to help somebody out, is a great thing. It makes you feel good.
It's a lot to take in and to accept something so wonderful. I can't believe it. I still can't believe it.